So I'm going to do an unbox and review of this Seagate 4TB expansion portable drive. Now it's important to remember this is the expansion portable drive because they have different models. Some are backup drives, but I have used one of these for a couple years now on my other computer. Very easy to hook up. There's no software. You know, if you get the backup ones, then there's software and stuff like this. It's just expansion for storage. I put all my media files on here. I've even tested this drive by loading programs onto it and launching from this drive, and I've never had any trouble with it. So I just wanted to take this out just so you can get a look first, what it's like, what it comes with here. Now this drive is for let's see, it's USB 3, and it's, of course, it can go down to USB 2. And one of the things you have to, you know, sort of understand or to identify if you want to get the full capabilities of this drive, how to identify a USB drive on your computer. Just look in the back, look at, you know, where you insert this cable. And actually on this one it's blue, and the corresponding one on the computer will actually be blue also. So blue designates that it's a USB 3. So if you want the full potential, you have to be using that. So this is the cord. That's all there is to it. And here's the little drive. That's all there is to it. Just find a nice little location for it. But anyways, this cable is specific to this drive, so you just plug that in there and we're ready to go. Find yourself the USB 3 slot, and we'll hook this up, and we'll do a little file transfer demo. I'll show you how it goes right on the PC. Okay, so let's move back behind the PC here. I have the little drive just sitting there, and of course here's the USB. And I found my USB 3 because it has the blue in there, matches the cord. And you'll notice on screen, once I get this plugged in, it's hard for me to see actually. There we go. And it will pop up on screen. Hopefully you saw that. Cords are all in the way here, but there we go. Just came up. Let's go check things out. Okay, so on the left side, that's my C drive. That's the screenshot that I captured, and I have another file explorer window open on the right. I made a folder called Screen Capture. So we're just going to move this one from the C drive over to the F drive. I actually use the right click on the mouse coming up here. So there we are on the C. Back to that file. I'm going to put it over into there, into the screen captures. So I'm going to do a right click again, and then you can just drag it over and then move it, because I want to take it right off of my C drive. And there you have it. I mean, it transferred almost immediately. It's not a super big file, but just, you know, it works really well. And now I'm playing it off of that Seagate drive. That's just a little bit of a video of it starting up. And so there you have it. I mean, it's a really good little drive. You can get all kinds of sizes. I think all the way from 1 up to 10 terabytes. So there you have it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe. Come back for more. Thank you very much.